Hey everybody! So I have a haul here today. If you're new to the channel, please like, comment, or subscribe. It'll really help me out. Helps all of us smaller channels get in the algorithm so people actually see the videos. And today I have a haul and an update on the convoy. I haven't said anything about this, but for those of you who are not aware, they are headed back to California. I don't know if I had anything to do with that. I contacted them last week about the bills that they're trying to pass in California, and they're very bad, especially if you have children. So they're concerning the, the thing in your arm. And, if you want to get that or whatever, that's totally up to you. My husband had to, and now he has stuff growing on his spine in his neck and has to go in for surgery, and it's growing rapidly. Like you can see it now. It's in the back of his neck in the spine. It's grown so much that now you can see it in the front of his throat. So they're going in through the front of his neck to get that out. He's had heart situations come up. Like, this thing is bad, you guys. So anyways, there's about 10 bills they're trying to pass out there. I will put a link below, and you can see what all these bills entail. But if you have children, they're going to mandate that your children have it to go to school. And if they don't have it, they can send authorities to your home. So I don't agree with things like that. If you want to do it for your children, that's fine. But, there's a lot of bad stuff coming out about this. I have people around me passing away unaliving like crazy from heart attacks and strokes, and the only thing that they have in common is that thing, the joy juice. So anyways, I will put a link to those bills down below so you can see what all 10 of them are about. And I will put links to people in the convoy if you're interested in that. If you're not, disregard everything I just said. But I thought I would give you all an update. They have left DC, headed to Cali. All of my family is there. I have a nephew who's a preemie. He cannot take that thing. So, you can't carpet bomb everybody with the same medication. I have heart failure from a chemo cocktail that I took, and it knocked my heart function down to 20%. I'm up to 50. Your best is 70. Nobody's heart is at 100%. Your numbers would be 70, and anything below that, you need to start worrying. Well, I dropped down to 20, and when I was doing the Herceptin with the chemo, any adverse reaction you had, you were supposed to report. Well, they're not wanting that with this medicine, so I find all of this very strange. Anyways, the way it's being handled. So I won't get on a rant about that because I get kind of worked up. I worry sick about my husband every day. I feel like I have to watch him like a hawk. I'm terrified. Something happening to him more so than what it already is. So anyways, on to the haul. The links will be down below. And so what I got is, this is from Sam's. It's your country style peppered gravy mix. I have a case of, there's actually 8 cans of blueberry pie filling. I have my own homemade, but not enough. And the blueberry is actually my husband likes blueberries in his yogurt. And if you have an Excalibur dehydrator, you can make yogurt in that and proof bread. So it's not just a dehydrator. So if you're looking for a dehydrator to do your foods, I would highly recommend one that has multiple uses, so you don't have to have a lot of machines. But yeah, it's kind of nice that you can proof bread and make yogurt in your dehydrator. I got an 8-pack of corned beef hash. That's probably one of the things I like to have most on the shelf. Has your meat and potato all in there. I got a 6-pack of cranberry sauce. Oh, and if you all didn't know, I don't know if it's everywhere, but I was on Walmart.com looking for canned vegetables. And if you put in canned vegetables and then do the shipping, go to the top, and it has like delivery, pickup, shipping, click shipping. And what came up for me was they have a case of green beans and a case of peas on sale for $5.88 each. They didn't have corn or anything else, but they have the peas and the green beans on sale. So if you're interested in that, I've heard a lot of people having issues with delivery and them canceling their orders. I do the shipping, and I've not encountered any issues. And if you order $35 or more, that there's no shipping fees. So I just thought I would let you all know. I don't know if that is everywhere, but we have it here. So at Walmart, I got a 1-pound bag of baby lima beans. At Target, I got a 1-pound bag of chickpeas. At Target, I got a 2-pound bag of pinto beans. And on Amazon, I got a 4-pound bag of small red beans. If you like Cajun style red beans and rice and stuff, those beans have been hard to find. And hopefully this video does okay. My camera is broken, so I'm trying to win one just like this one on eBay. I've already lost on one auction, so I can't afford a brand new camera. So hopefully I get this replaced or we're in trouble. I got the whole bottom of this camera is busted off, so we're just hanging on by a thread. I got an assortment of wood screws. They're all different sizes. And I got one of these with nails as well in a previous haul. Ladies, probiotics. I highly recommend, especially for women, the probiotics. So I got this probiotic. It has 96 capsules. I got a can of whole peeled tomatoes. And this haul is a combination of Walmart, Target, and Amazon. I just look for what's on sale, and I highly recommend you go to websites directly if you can, like Idahoan Potato, Bic Lighters. Go to their websites and the sale sections, and you can usually find better deals and free shipping if you order a certain amount, usually $35 for a lot of them. I got a can of diced potatoes. I got how much is this one? 1 1/4 quart of low sodium soy sauce. If you like, if you have a lot of rice, fried rice and things like that. I got some roasted red bell peppers in the jar, and I know you can make these, but it's cheaper to buy a jar of these. And if you like them in recipes or your hummus, that's an economical way of doing that. I got some freeze-dried diced potatoes, just because these will be shelf stable for a very long time, and the freeze-dried diced potatoes rehydrate and fry up better than dehydrated potatoes. I got 2 of these mini Canada Dry ginger ales, just because that's something good to have on hand if somebody gets puny. I got 2 cans of hairspray, but I didn't know they shrank the hairspray. Ladies, what are they doing to our hairspray? Look, that's the can right there. Is that much hairspray. So I got some hairspray. I got some biotin and collagen shampoo, just because my hair's been really thin since all of my treatment stuff. I got the Aussie Total Miracle, and it's cheaper. These are much cheaper on Walmart, sold as a set. Do not buy this stuff on Amazon. Your resellers are gouging you, even on Walmart.com. The fact that Walmart lets them buy up all their product and then come back and resell it on their site is just amazing to me. A can of something that's $2 they're selling for $24 to $48. I got the Miracle Moist Aussie shampoo. And I got the Elvive, not sure how they pronounce that, repairing shampoo and conditioner. I got a can of Bumblebee pink salmon. That is not our favorite, but if you see my recipe for the salmon croquettes, like salmon fritters with the green onion, that's amazing and way better than a salmon patty. If you like salmon patties, that's awesome too. I got 2 cans of the green enchilada sauce. That's hard to find, so when I find it for a reasonable price, I pick some up. I got an orange Jello. I got 2 of these 4 packs of the vanilla and chocolate pudding, and that's so I can make the pie that my husband loves. And I got a box of these Ritz Bits to make my snack mixes. You know, the ranch and seasoning and all of that. So that is my haul for today. You'll be seeing this video tomorrow, so I don't want to overrun you with videos. I did a couple yesterday just to try and get my views back on track, because it throws you out of the algorithm when your channel tanks like mine does when I put up a cooking video. So yeah, that's my haul. The truckers are on their way to California. If you're interested to try and fight those bills, they were being shady booty and not saying anything to anybody about those. They were going to do them, you know, like probably in the wee hours of the night when nobody knows, and vote them through. And those are mostly being pushed by Senator Pan. So anyways, that is my haul. That is the update on the truckers. And I'm going to clear this up, and we are going to do a canning video, recanning hominy. Then we are going to be canning the Velveeta cheese, some cream cheese, and doing some canned potato recipes. So we've got canning coming up, and then of course the season for planting is coming up. Hopefully I grow something. I transplanted all my babies and my peas are not happy. So, but the cucumbers and the bell peppers are hanging in there, and the tomatoes are trying. So keep our fingers crossed. That's all we can do. And then I will be planting my corn and green beans straight into the dirt next week. I think is the safe time that we can do it. So the sun is coming back. Hopefully no more cold weather. And yeah, you all stay safe. You stay healthy. You stay happy. Don't worry about all the crazy. Don't watch all the toxic. And I will see you all in the next video. And pray that I get a camera or this channel is done.